okay. Hey, sexy lady. I like you. Really? You're so pretty. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lexi. My mom told me the other day when I walked out with my hair like this, she was like, you look like the dude from Dumb and Dumber. The fried chicken looking hair.
We got no food, we got no jobs, our pets' heads are falling off! Okay, just calm down.
I am so pumped because I bought this. Just bought it, you can see. It has not been opened, the full box. Look at it! Hot Tools is one of the best brands. I have another curler that is from Hot Tools, so good. Ceramic 3-barrel WAVER. I have seen these on TikTok, I've seen them on YouTube. I have never tried it. I have no idea what to expect. I may love it.
I may hate it.
We're just gonna try it out and you can see what it looks like on my hair. First things first, I'm gonna put some coconut milk serum in this bitch. Living proof, love this stuff. It's an anti-frizz. Have a video about it on my channel, bomb.com, so good. I'm just gonna put some of that as well and near my roots. Obviously, some heat protectant before we start up this bad boy because we don't want to fry our hair. We're just gorgeous girls that want to fry our hair. Gorgeous girls. I hate that phrase.
I hate it.
Why are we saying gorgeous girls? Like, no. Leave it. Like, where did that even come from? I feel like a kid on Christmas morning right now. Look at $80, guys. $80. Okay, we don't want to rip it because if we don't like it, then we want to return it. It's not opening. Maybe we just get a knife. The knife worked. When in doubt, use a knife, but I ripped it. Whatever. They'll take it back if we don't like this.
Okay.
There's the box. Fantastic. This we can rip. How else are we supposed to get this out? It's a big mopo. Oh, and they got heat protectant gloves. Cool. Cool. This thing heated up quite quick. It is done. It is ready. It's freaking scary looking. Look at it. I swear to God, I have never used this in my life. Here we go. I'm going to be looking over here because there's a mirror. See to hold it, right? Is that right? Ow. And then, oh. Ew. How long do we leave it? How it's supposed to look, I don't know. It looks kind of like ramen noodles. Oh my God. Starting to sweat. Let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. We done. This is the final product.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours.
It took, give or take, 15-20 minutes to do my whole head. Do I love it? I really like it. Would I say I love it and I would wear it all the time? Probably not. It is a look. I think it's very cool. Like, it'd be cool to do time to time or for a photo shoot. It's very mermaid-esque. Messy beach hair. Would I pay $80 for this Hot Tool to get this look?
Probably not.
You can probably get this for cheaper on Amazon. It seemed to work pretty well. I think it could have worked maybe a little bit better, but I honestly didn't know what I was doing. I don't know if I should have left it on longer. I was really scared of frying my hair, because honestly, I think this does a lot of damage to your hair. It's really hot. Just think about that whole pressure of heat clamping down on your hair. I think it just fries the shite out of it. I like it. It's very different. It's very different. Yeah, I'm looking at the video right now and I'm just thinking, I don't think it's that good. I don't think it's that good. The look. Like, what is this side? Fried ramen noodles? This side looks more pronounced. Did I not do this side long enough? I don't know. I've seen my hair look better, personally. Thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a little thumbs up, or if you want to see more videos, you gotta hit that subscribe button. I so appreciate it, and I will be doing a lot more videos, so stay tuned. I will see you guys again soon. Bye!